YieldMax ETFs is officially finished. So yesterday there was a news that YieldMax ETFs is going to do reverse split for 12 of their ETFs, and I made a video about that. And once I made that video, I did post, and this post was more of a poll, which I said YieldMax ETFs are officially undergoing reverse splits, including ULTY, with a post-split price of 42.10 if it stays at the same price. This isn't a hype. This is confirmed. Full breakdown video is here, and I put a link. And of course, if you want to watch this video, I'm going to put the link below. But this is my poll. Are you buying? Are you holding? Are you selling? Are you staying far away from it? 45% of the people that did this poll say they're going to stay away from it. And for people who are currently holding YieldMax ETFs are saying they're going to hold. And I can see the reason why, because some people have lost their money, so they don't want to sell at loss. And there are 12% of people who say they're going to buy. Maybe they see that as an opportunity because they want to receive those distributions. 17% of people are selling. So 62% of people are going to either sell or stay away. So that's a huge number. And participants in this poll were 275 people. So I just want you to go to my YouTube community post and please keep going on this poll. Tell me if you haven't done the poll. Are you going to buy? Are you going to hold? Are you going to sell? Or are you going to stay away from it? Because I want to have more people voted on this one. I know this is not going to matter in a big scheme, but it's something that, of course, give us insight of how people are feeling about this reverse split and YieldMax overall. And this, of course, will help a lot of investors who are investing in YieldMax ETFs or are considering investing in these ETFs. All right, next thing I need to answer a couple questions from a comment from this video. This Fabadine 154 is asking, the bigger question is, what will be the amount of dividend once this change happens after the 28th? So this is a great question. And to answer this question, I have an example I want to show you. For example, if ULTY price, let's say, for example, you had 1,000 shares and they used to pay 10 cents per share. Now, after split, you're going to have 100 shares. Of course, your value stays the same. Now, instead of 10 cents per share, they're going to pay $1 per share. Overall, you're going to have $100 dividend on this one. And here, you're still going to have $100 in dividends or distributions. Of course, that distributions is just an example based on how much they're going to pay that time. That will always change based on how much they are going to pay. As you know, these distributions from these ETFs are not static. They always change. They can pay 10 cents per share today. They can pay 8 cents per share next time. So that's how it's going to work. It's not going to affect overall how much you're going to get or how much value portfolio is going to be. What is going to affect is the price after the split. Based on my experience, every time they do reverse split, usually share price will keep coming down. That's how it works. All right, let me answer one more question. There is another comment here, 7085. Dumped all my YieldMax last month, all went to Round Hill. So this investor here was able to dump all his YieldMax because he didn't feel comfortable with YieldMax, and he was lucky that he get out at the perfect time, and he went all to Round Hill. So are you going to dump your YieldMax and go to Round Hill, or going to invest in other ETFs? If you're considering selling your YieldMax ETFs and looking for another perfect investment, I'm going to show you the best ETFs you can invest your money now. But before going there, please, if you like this video, as always, smash the like button. And if you don't want to miss any of the important updates, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to share with someone you think this video may help. Now, on Friday, the market was very bad. MSTY went down closer to 4%. And the price of today is only $8. And I'm really surprised when they announced the reverse split, they did not include MSTY for now. So MSTY survived this round. All right, when it comes to ULTY, this is another ETF from Rex Shares that is going to have pretty much almost similar strategy like ULTY from YieldMax. It went down 80 cents, and that's a 4%. The price it stands today is at 18.59. ULTY from YieldMax is at 421. It went down about 1 cent. MSTR stock itself, which is the underlying stock for MSTY, went down $8.79 or 4.22%. Okay, the ETFs that I want to show you here are TDAC and TSPY. These two ETFs have been showing really robust performance, even though the market has been going down within these couple days or pretty much the whole week. This ETF stays at the same price, so they haven't lost any NAV. As you can see, this one is at 26.29. This is a TDAC, the Nasdaq, and this is S&P 500, $25 because they come around the same price and they stay the same and they pay good distributions. But the only thing about these ETFs, they don't pay as a huge distributions as the other ETFs from YieldMax or Roundhill. But of course, in return, you are not losing your NAV. I'm going to show you how much yield these ETFs pay. The other ETF is We Pay from Roundhill. It went down about 33 cents and now it stands at 48.01. This also is one of the best ETFs because it's a fund of fund that has a bunch of Roundhill ETFs. And the last year is YieldMax Universe Fund of Fund. Now is only $10.86. Also has been coming down from where it was at higher prices. As I've mentioned, TDAC and TSPY are one of the best income ETFs. But the only thing about these ETFs that maybe might pull you off from investing is that they pay a little bit lower distributions. This one is 17.41%. And this is how much they're paying. The first time they pay was only 38 cents. The good thing is that, of course, they pay a lower yield, but your NAV stays put, meaning you're not losing any NAV. So you'll be getting your income, and there's also growth of the ETF itself. When it comes to TSPY, this one pays a little bit lower because it's a S&P 500 and less volatile than the Nasdaq. This one is at 14.35, around that. And when it comes to distributions, they pay around 30 cents per share every week. So if you want to get a little bit lower yield, but to make sure you preserve your capital or your NAV, these two ETFs are one of the best ETFs you can invest your money. So I just made this video to give you a quick update on investors' sentiments when it comes to YieldMax ETFs. And I also wanted to highlight two ETFs that you can invest your money if you want to sell all your YieldMax ETFs. So again, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this content, smash the like button. I will catch your next video. Bye bye.